Hello everybody, it is your girl Bria Van Kooten and I am back with a new video. I am back, as you guys can read by the title. I'm back with another unboxing. We're doing another Telfar unboxing. I got a new Telfar, another one. So I'm going to show you guys which one I got. And if you guys want to see what I got, see me unbox it. I'm going to talk about it. I'm going to talk about my first Telfar, all of that. Stay tuned, and you already know. Let's get into the video. Alright guys, so like I said in the intro, as you guys can read by the title, we're here for another Telfar unboxing. I did my first Telfar unboxing last year, so a year later I was able to snag another one. I have been wanting, well, the first one I got, if you guys didn't see that video, I'm gonna link it in the card so you guys can watch it anyways, but the first one I did get was the black medium Telfar, and it has served me well. I've had it for almost a year now, and it has served me well. This is the medium size. It fits a lot in it. Some people think that this is the large whenever like I post pictures with it, but I'm like, no girl, this is the medium. But it is big, it is spacious, and it can fit a lot. So if you want something that like an everyday bag where you can just walk around and throw things in, you want to throw your laptop in, books, magazines, whatever, this is the way to go. I've went shopping and stuff, clothes in here, all that. Like, it literally is really spacious. So this is it. Still in good condition. Like, if you don't know, it is vegan leather. I've heard people say like they saw their bag peeling and stuff, and I'm like, I don't know the feeling, because my bag is still in good condition. They're probably using it too hard and too much, I don't know, but bag is still in good condition, still good. Like I said, very spacious. This is, let me tell you guys the measurements of this one. The height is 10 3/4 and the width is 15 inches. I can fit my 13-inch MacBook Pro in here, and I've also, my brother has the 15-inch MacBook Pro, and I've tried to put his in here and it fits as well. So you can fit your 15-inch MacBook Pro in here. So like I said, spacious, good bag. I wanted the black one first just because I can wear it with a lot of outfits, a lot of different things, which I have. So got the black one, and then I was like, girl, I want another one, and this time I want the large one. Like, I want the big dada, the daddy. Like, I want the big mama. Okay. So I was like, I'm gonna get the large, and I wanted the yellow. Yes, I'm telling you guys the color anyways. I'm telling you guys the color. I wanted the yellow, and I have been waiting. If you don't know, if you sign up for Telfar's email list, you're gonna get an email when the new drops are happening. So they'll probably email you like Friday and be like, okay, we're releasing the red on Monday in all colors, 9 a.m. Be there or be square. Literally, you have to be there. So I was waiting. I saw him start releasing like the spring colors, and I was like, okay, the yellow. I feel like the yellow has to be coming because spring is coming, so the yellow is coming soon. So said, so done. Boom. Got the email, the yellow was coming, and I screamed. I was so excited. The day before I bought the bag, I literally created an account with Telfar, because for this first bag I got, I didn't get it from the website. I got it from a different site, so I never had like an account with them. So I was like, all right, let me try to save myself some time, create an account, put my address in there, put my card, put everything, so by the time it's checkout, I just check out, zoom. So then they were like, all right, we have Apple Pay. I was like, oh, perfect, because I have my cards in my phone and in my MacBook, so I could just pay with Apple Pay. So 9 a.m. comes the next morning. I'm on the site. Boom. Refresh. Boom. Add it to my cart. Boom. Mind you, I'm in my basement. So then I'm about to check out, and Apple Pay does not pop up, y'all. I'm like, oh my God. I run all the way up to my room and grab my card, go get my card, run. I'm like, oh my God, please don't sell out, please don't sell out. Enter my card. Never entered my card so fast in my life. But luckily, like I said, I had my address, all that information saved, so I was good on that. Boom, checked out about like 9:06. So I was Gucci. And I saw people saying they saw it sold out at like 9:02, but I guess because I had it in my cart and I was ready to go, that I was lucky that morning. Thank God, but she is here, my new baby. I'm gonna insert like when I'm actually unboxing it, because I already took it out the bag so I can like see it, because I was too excited. I couldn't wait. When I film unboxings and stuff, I be having things sitting for a long time, so I'm like, I always like to open it and check and make sure everything is good, everything is there. But she is big. She's a big mama, okay? This is it, and I'm excited. First of all, I want to compliment Telfar with their shipping, because the bag released on a Friday. I bought it on a Friday, and I got it the next day, the Saturday. Like, literally delivered at my front door Saturday afternoon. Like, I'm like, yo, come through with the shipping. I was super excited for that alone. So shout out to Telfar for that. And some updates. Of course, his brand has grown, has blown up. So for the first bag, I didn't get like a dust bag and all that, because that's what he wasn't doing that. So of course, because his brand is blowing up and is getting bigger, now we got dust bags. We got like the little plastic bag. It's giving more luxury. So, you know, as your brand grows, you want to grow with it. So he added on all these add-ons, and I'm here for it. So even I remember when I first unboxed this one, someone told me that their Telfar, because they got it like in the beginning, didn't have pockets inside. So I noticed like as he grew, the brand grew as well, and the bags grew as well. He added more things to the bag. So I love that. I love improvement. I love growth. So yeah, it came in the box. You guys gonna see in the little unboxing part. Then it comes in this little plastic bag with the Telfar logo. If you don't know, stands for TC, Telfar Clemens. That's his name. If you didn't know, now you know. I love this bag. I wore it for the first time yesterday, so I did wear, oh no, I just got makeup on the dust bag. But I wore it yesterday because I was like shipping out some things, so I needed like a big bag to just throw everything in. So I did wear it yesterday. This is gonna be perfect for travel. Like, I'm gonna wear it on a regular day just walking around just to give looks, but this is gonna be perfect for a travel. Like, you have your large suitcase and a big ass Telfar. It's gonna be fire. So yeah, we got the dust bag, white, as you guys can see, with the black logo. We got the black drawstrings. And let's take my baby out. She is giving. Now the yellow, y'all, the yellow is a vibe. It is so, hold on, we're gonna put her in the screen. We're gonna take me out, put her in the screen. It is giving. Oh my God. I am in love. So let me tell you the measurements of the large one. The height is 14 1/4 inches. And the width is 19 1/4 inches. So big mama, okay? We got the little magnetic closure right here, as you guys can see the little magnet. Then we open it. She gonna fit a lot, okay? She gonna fit a lot. I had a couple boxes in here, so she gonna fit a lot. Got the little tag on it. I kept the tag because I was like, oh, I didn't do my video yet, so I could take it off now. But we got the little Telfar logo, of course, the little tag telling you what bag you got. And then we look inside. We have the Telfar logo on this side with the little zipper. And this is a big zippered pocket, y'all. This zipper pocket is huge. Huge. So we got the zippered pocket, and then we have this other pocket on this side that's not zippered. So we got a double pocket, which I love because the medium one doesn't have that. All we got is the zippered pocket. So this is the medium one. All we got is the zippered pocket on this side, but we don't have another pocket on this side. So again, like I said, an upgrade, or this, it could be because this is the large one. It has 2 pockets because it is bigger. So that could be another thing, but this is it. I am super excited for this bag. And of course, we got the straps. So you wanna wear it with the strap on, you can have it out, or you can just easily tuck it in. It's not that hard to tuck it in. Big Telfar bag, ho! 5-6 figures per, like, I'm super excited for this bag. Like I said, I have been wanting a yellow bag, well, the yellow Telfar bag specifically, for a long time. So I'm happy to have it in my possession. Let's tell the price difference. So the medium one was $200 plus tax and all that. And then this one was $259 plus tax and all that. So I think it came up to like $279. So not bad. Really, really good price points. And then the mini one, they are the small ones. The mini ones are $150. I don't think I'm gonna get the mini one because I have enough mini bags. I have the Jacquemus Le Chiquito bag, and then I have the Prada re-edition nylon mini bag. So I'm like, I don't need another mini bag, so I don't think I will be getting the Telfar mini. So right now I'm pretty good. I got my yellow big mama travel bag, and I got my medium black bag that I could run around with on a daily basis. Even today, because I'm about to do some like filming and stuff outside, so I'm gonna pack all my camera equipment and all that in here. So that's the good thing, it can fit in here, so I can use this on a regular day and I can also use it for travel. So it's definitely gonna be well used, well repurposed, and I'm excited. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys got your Telfar bags during the bag security program part 2. He did the part 2 of the bag security program a couple weeks ago. So if you wanted a Telfar, that is a perfect time to get it, because he's gonna make you whichever color, whichever size, whichever one you want, you're gonna be able to get. But if you didn't, definitely, I always say, sign up with his email list so you know when new things are dropping, because you'll get the email and you'll know before he even puts it on social media and all that. You'll get the email. So definitely subscribe to his email listing. And I'm excited to have it in my possession. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, you already know, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any Telfar bags. How many do you have? What colors do you have? Comment that down below. Definitely subscribe to the channel if you would like to see more. Definitely go check out my previous videos. I just posted part 1 and part 2 of my spring try-on haul. I got some really cool, dope, cute pieces in that haul, so I will link it in the cards throughout this video, so definitely go check that out. And follow me on my social medias, my Instagram and my Twitter at Bria Van Kooten. And of course, check out my blog, www.briavankooten.com. And I will see you guys in the next video, okay? Next Friday, new videos every Friday at 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, if I didn't say that before, all right? I'll see you guys then. Peace, love, deuces.